This is Savannah Payne, and I would like to celebrate and elevate Whitney's work. I love the way that Whitney's brain works. Each step that she is going to do or conduct is very apparent, simple language, easy to understand, to be able to move through from one section of the learning to the next section of learning. I am going to have to highlight the fact that her lesson plan template, I like that she has altered that in a bit, where it's taken away some of the busy boxes. And it would almost be neat since we're teaching pre service teachers how to use lesson plan templates if we maybe put a note that this is the pre lesson plan and then the lesson plan for the events of instruction. I really like the fact that she wants the teachers to go back and after the pre-service teacher assesses students to think about, do we need to add some enrichment or some refinement to this plan to be able to use in the future? Another thing that I really love, even though she's using the Gagne's 9 steps of events, I love the language that she used whenever she was describing exceeds expectation, meets expectation, needs improvement, does not meet. Um, those are clear goals to meet as pre-service teachers read through this so they can utilize that as a checkbook. I would like to use something very similar, but of course, my areas are going to be a little bit different where they are going to have engage, develop, and demonstrate listed on here. I like the fact that she actually goes through all of those steps. So great job, Whitney. Thank you for sharing your learning with me this week.